Hi, welcome back to SteveDeangelo.com. I'm Steve D'Angelo, and today we're going to talk a little bit about um, getting website traffic. Um, when you first start out in your online business, now we're going to kind of go back and forth between whether you're starting an online business, selling strictly online, or whether you have a regular business, a storefront type business where you are using the internet to market and get people into your store. So it'll apply pretty much to either or. But is getting the best way to get website traffic right off the bat, if you just put up a website and you don't have any visitors yet, the best way to do it, let everybody that you know about your website. A, first thing, you get friends, family, just get the word out about your website to people that you know. They can check your site out regardless of whether it's your store you're promoting or if you're starting an online business. Say you just put up an Amazon store. You got a couple of pages of Amazon links there that people shop for Amazon products. Tell your friends and family. There's your first traffic you'll get. You'll hopefully people you know will check out your site and see what you have to offer. Um, and from that point on, now then it's either you're gonna go the long, I'd say the time consuming way, or you're gonna use methods that will cost you money that might have faster return. So I usually like to go with the organic traffic, the organic traffic ways. To get traffic organically, what you do is you create links and you write articles about particular products that you have, and you register those articles into article directories like easyinarticles.com, articlebase.com, article dashboard. There's many out there. Those are the top couple that I use. And you can write articles about any particular product that you have, and using keywords and specific keywords for the products that you are trying to promote, and you put them into the article directories. And what happens is those article directories have a great ranking with Google, and a lot of times those articles that you write will come right up in the search rankings for your particular keyword. For instance, if you wrote an article about how to build a desk, for instance, and you put all the specifics in there, and someone types in how to build a desk, and you have that keyword as a prominent keyword in your article, your article will likely come up in that in the Google search term for that, and you'll be able to get within your article refer people to your website that way. And another way, which is I'd say it's relatively popular. People do videos for to get traffic to their site. And YouTube, you can rank search terms pretty good with YouTube. It's not as difficult with high competitive search terms to get a video ranked. It's not as hard to get the video ranked in the top 10 in Google as it is to get, say, a particular search term if you're writing an article or something like that. So those are just a few things that we can focus on in more detail. Whether you want to get in touch with me and we can go over some of these things in more detail. In a future tutorial, I'm going to touch on each of these in more depth. Um, but the primary, if you don't want to spend a ton of money, doing things, writing articles, bookmarking your anything you do with your website to social bookmarking sites, Facebook, Twitter, doing all the different things where you get the word out about your site. Those are, over time it builds momentum, and you'll get traffic to your site that way. We're going to touch on pay-per-click also, where you pay per click for people to click on your ads. It's more involved. There's more. Um, Obviously, it's a financial commitment, and you got to continue. You got to do it on a regular basis. You can't just try it for one day. You got to kind of let it take its let it run for a while and see how it works for you. But there's a lot of you got to keep track of things, and you got to keep statistics. and see what works for you. But we can, like again, we're going to touch on each of these in more detail. But first things first, get people that you know, friends, family, neighbors, and have them. Everybody has an email list. Have them send out an email and telling people about their friend's website. If you're selling things or if it's a business, a storefront, that's them. Word of mouth's the best way still, no matter what, even with internet marketing. I mean, you do it, you get it out to your friends and family, and hopefully they'll spread it around, and you'll get some action on your website just from that. So we'll end that for today, and we'll talk more about some of these other things in the future videos. Thank you, and have a great day.